Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'll be sharing you how can you lose weight in just 30 days and you don't have to be into strict diet as well as not do any exercise. You're not going to replace some other food to end the food. No, you're going to just eat the same thing, okay? All you have to do is just cut down the food which you have been eating for a long time. Okay, so for example, if you're having to eat rice too much, you just have to minimize the rice to a very small quantity, a bit small quantity than the other. How much you used to eat, just need to minimize it to some smaller quantity, whether it's curry or something. Even when it comes to chapati, if you used to eat like 4 chapatis, you should minimize it to 2 chapatis. So that's it, you just have to minimize it. And the other thing is, don't eat sugary items. Okay, so if you eat sugary items, then of course it is going to make you fat. Okay, and also oily food, also packaged food, all these things, junk foods, you should definitely avoid it because you don't have any other strict diet. See, some people say that you should replace this to vegetables or this to add proteins, and it is not actually necessary. I just recommend you to just minimize the food and avoid junk foods, and also be active at the same time. Okay, all the time you should not be sleeping, you should be sitting straight, or whenever you walk you should be enthusiastic while doing any other work. You should be like, this is my exercise. Okay, whenever you are given some work in your home also, you should do it very energetic way. Then that itself loses your weight. The pressure you put in your work, it's the same exercise. It's the same thing which people do exercise separately. So instead of putting unnecessary exercise, you can just do it the rest of the day, right? So some people do exercise, but it's waste because they are just doing it for 1 hour and the whole day they are just lazy, and it can also gain weight at the same time. And also, I don't recommend you strict diet, because if you are replacing the food to some other item like vegetables or any other fruits, like you're just eating fruits and vegetables, you are going to lose weight, but it is not going to be long term, because no human can survive like that. You will just have a lot of cravings after you leave that. You will feel to eat more of it when you leave that diet. So I just recommend you to do this for 30 days, okay, and see the results in your weight machine. Okay, then you can see the difference, how much weight loss you have done, and then you can follow maybe like exercise and losing weight by strict diet if you want. But I think this can give a greater result. And the last thing which I want to say, that whenever you feel hungry, sometimes there might be like food, like junk food or something, right? Just 30 days challenge I'm saying. So during those days, don't eat this burger. When there is something like burger, noodles or something very tasty, you just drink water. That is enough for your weight loss. Okay, so if you just drink water, then you don't feel hungry. So that is a one more last tip which is very useful, and yeah, this thing will help a lot. So you can also do the same thing. With these tips you can definitely lose weight, and I am 100% sure of it. Just do it for 30 days and yes, you will be done.